You guys, we got a new project for the channel. This is a big one. It's the biggest one yet. I've been ignoring these small issues for way too long. Rattles, loose panels, and bad adjustments. Today we stop the lazy work and make this car 100% solid. The first one I'm gonna start out with my chassis mounted diffuser. It is loose. I haven't really tightened anything up, so the bolts and everything is just wiggling and it's not secure. The next thing on the list is this battery. Loose wires, nothing's connected properly. I also got a different one that I want to put for the negative wire, or different post or whatever. So I want to change that out. One of the third things is this panel right here. My door handle is broken. We need to replace that. And the fourth thing is this tow hook hole. We got the cover for it finally. We're gonna work it. We're gonna make sure it's gone. It disappeared by the end of this video. That's the small and couple things that need to get adjusted and finished by the end of this video. That's gonna be our challenge list right here. You guys, we're gonna start off with the chassis mounted diffuser. Let's get right to it. All right, the front diffuser is on and installed, and there's only one test we can do to see if this thing works. It's either gonna break or it's not gonna. Oh, there we go. Dude, I feel like each time I'm... There we go. That was a little scary, but it held up. It held up, which means it's good. It's durable. It's resistant. We got it. So we're gonna move on to the next thing, which is the battery. Change out this whole thing. This one right here, similar to this one right here, because I have this wire that's to my fans. It's not really hooked up right or correctly right now at the moment.
I'll bring it and see how far we can get with one.
All right, the battery's done. It's nice and good now. All right, on to the next one. It's gonna be the door handle. It broke off, so we need to fix that. The whole panel might need to come off in order for that to happen. I was trying to see if I could find a way around it, but I don't think it's possible. We're gonna have to remove the whole door panel. Let's do that. Noise, noise, noise. Looking good. Let's put this back together now. Yep, our tweeter speaker got, I don't know, I guess I didn't have a speaker. I don't know, it's been a while now. Can't have that showing. Is it for this one right here. Let's move on to the next. Last and final thing is gonna be this tow hook hole. We're gonna cover it up. All right, guys, we got this on now. We kind of super glued it on there, and it's looking pretty good. So now we're gonna turn it, flip it around, and we're gonna do the whole plastic weld to get this bad boy on there. It's gonna get cut up. Table saw. Update on the bumper, you guys. It's been quite a while on this thing. We've been working on it extensively. This part mainly has already gotten done, the main part that I wanted to focus on, but there's other things that we kind of wanted to touch up on the sides, basically all around the bumper while it is off. So for the most part, this part right here is done, but there's a cool thing that I wanted to check. I want to show you guys, and it's back there. So you guys, we got a new project for the channel. This is a big one. It's the biggest one yet. So y'all thought like this is like Fast 13 right here. This is where we're headed to now. The Fast 13. It's all about family. We got this truck for family, you know? Bingo. This out. Oh, the little fan. Okay, okay. If y'all ever wondered what deposit, see if they left any money in here. Nah, no money, no money. Okay, how does this? I can't. Right there. Open which one first? Okay. No? Okay. There you go. Okay, close that up. But we can do anything with this, you guys. We're gonna do whatever we want, actually. There we go. Put some work wheels on this bitch, some LS swap. We don't know what we might do with this. Might get crazy. Might make it into an ice cream truck.
Let's add a character to it. Luis, ¿le quieres hacer director? Y le pones subtítulos abajo. I'm gay. I like
Possibilities are endless. Here, let me show you guys what's underneath the hood real quick. Let me show y'all what's under the hood. You guys are not gonna believe it. Take your guesses right down in the comments. Alright guys, that project is for another time. Right now we finished up with the bumper. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.